Open your laptop, and the friction is immediate. Slack notifications piling up, a flooded inbox, and deliverables stacking higher by the hour. Most founders treat this daily chaos as the necessary cost of doing business. In a traditional service agency, revenue is tied to execution. You bill for the hours spent writing copy, running ads, or designing assets. This chart shows the operational ceiling of that model. As the blue line for client acquisition climbs, the red line for human hours required locks onto it. They rise in tandem, creating a business that consumes more time the more it grows. This linear growth model effectively caps the business at the limit of your own exhaustion. Under these conditions, more clients is not a sign of success. It is the catalyst that eventually breaks the agency's capacity. Now, look at a different environment. No missed messages, no burning deadlines, just clean, continuous execution processing silently across a digital network. This is the foundation of the 2026 AI Automation Agency. We are replacing manual labor with autonomous systems. Your role as a solo founder shifts from fulfillment to design. You operate as a system architect, building the logic that handles the workload for you. Scaling in this space is no longer a matter of increasing your personal hours, but a matter of how many times a single, stable architecture can be deployed. The digital market is vast and fragmented. Before an architect lays a single line of code, they must survey the terrain for stability. If you build a custom automation for a real estate agent on Monday and a different one for a logistics firm on Tuesday, you lose the ability to replicate your work. A viable niche for automation requires one strict condition: an industry suffering from a repeatable, predictable bottleneck. We take hundreds of chaotic, mismatched industry demands and filter them down until we isolate a single, uniform pain point. By isolating that one problem, you engineer one solution. You build the logic once and duplicate it across dozens of different companies without changing a single line of the core architecture. This rigidity is your primary defense against operational drag. It provides the exact parameters needed for a system to scale. Once the target is acquired, we move inside the blueprint. This is where the actual assembly takes place. The sole objective of this architecture is the total removal of human intervention from the workflow. The first layer is decision-making. We deploy AI agents programmed with specific logic trees, allowing them to read incoming data and determine the next step instantly. The second layer is the bridge. API integrations allow different software platforms to communicate silently, passing instructions from a CRM to a database without manual export. The final layer is the housing. We wrap these agents and integrations inside a unified software stack, enclosing the entire sequence in a single engine. Data enters, processing happens, and the result executes. This is a zero-touch workflow, running entirely on its own logic. It runs autonomously, hour after hour, without fatigue or the need for supervision. In the modern agency, the value isn't in the person doing the work, but in the engine that produces it. Building the engine is the technical half. The final step is how you present that engine's output to the market. Instead of invoicing for hours of labor, you are pricing the value of a guaranteed systemic result. Notice the shift in profit mechanics. Because the system requires zero manual labor once it is deployed, the cost of fulfillment drops to near zero. The revenue stays high, but the profit margin expands to fill the entire column. This is packaged as a turnkey asset, an infrastructure upgrade that produces consistent results regardless of who is behind the keyboard. By selling the output of a system, you finally decouple your personal income from your personal time. The daily reality of a system architect looks drastically different from the chaos of a traditional agency. Instead of managing client requests, you oversee a portfolio of automated solutions. You spend your time optimizing the architecture rather than executing the tasks. In the 2026 digital economy, scale is no longer tied to how hard you grind, but to how efficiently you design. Stop selling your time. Start architecting systems.